In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now the first step is to navigate to the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Display. From Display, you're going to navigate to Edge Panels after you've ensured you've turned them on. And then you're going to select Panels. From here, ensure that one of the edge panels selected is Tools. And then you can go ahead and close the Settings app. Next, swipe to bring up your edge panels, and then swipe again until you get to the Tools section. When you get to Tools, ensure that it's set to compass, and it should look something like this. So now from here, if you want to figure out a specific direction, simply point your phone towards that specific direction, and you can see the compass giving you the estimated degree or estimated location of that area. If you're curious as to whether it's correct, you can always just tap on calibrate like so. Move your phone around, and then when you try again, it should still give you the same reading. If it doesn't, it means that your phone needed the calibration so that it can give you the correct information. You'll also notice you'll have your location as well as your country and your longitude and latitude listed for you to also know your exact precise location. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.